Welcome to PC Mac. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can install NextCloud with the help of Docker on your Raspberry Pi. So before starting this video, I would like you to please go and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. So let's do it. First of all, we will go ahead and check the IP address of our Raspberry Pi. So to do that, we are going to use the wireless network watcher, and it will generate the IP address now. As you can see, the Raspberry Pi is on the IP address 192.168.1.73. So let's just go ahead and close it and open SSH. Type it here. Let's just go ahead and log in with Pi user and then the password. Let's just check Docker info. So it's working now. Let's check the Docker version as well. So the Docker is up and running now. What we need to do, we need to download the Docker image for NextCloud. So let's just go ahead and do that. So the command is docker run -t -p. The port is 8080 NextCloud. This is the command. You will find all these commands in the document that I will list it in the description of this video. So I'm just going to hit enter, and as you can see, unable to find the image NextCloud latest locally, so it will be downloaded from the internet. It might take some time, so I'll be back. The NextCloud image is successfully downloaded, so let's just go ahead and check with the command docker ps -a. Let's just maximize the window, and as you can see, the NextCloud is installed on Docker. The image is right here and it's running on port 80 TCP. So let's just check and try to access the NextCloud from here. Let's go ahead and open the Google Chrome and type the IP address of our Raspberry Pi with the port 80, and once we do that, we are right here on the NextCloud. You need to put 8080. Let's just create an account, type a password here. Let's just create a strong password, and when we click on finish setup, it will take us to the main screen of NextCloud. Right now we are not secure, as you can see on the top left corner. Now in the next step, what we will try to do, we will try to make our NextCloud secure by using SSL certificates onto the NextCloud. So it will take a moment to configure the NextCloud, and then it will take us to the main screen. So we are right here with the main screen. Let's just update the password and click next, 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 and finish. Start using NextCloud, and you can see we are on the NextCloud screen. So there is no external hard drive connected. In the next part of this video, I'll show you how you can connect a external hard drive, how you can make your NextCloud secure, how you can install Office on your NextCloud so you can add it and work on your NextCloud file on your Word, Excel and PowerPoint files right here on the NextCloud screen. So guys, that's it from my end. This is the installation of NextCloud on Docker. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.